Alright, so we've been on the vacuum pump for about an hour. I shut her off. And we have been holding vacuum now for... turn it off about 9. It's 9:45 now. Hot damn. So as soon as the parts store decides to bring me the belt that I ordered last night, maybe in business. Get the belt on. Get that done, and away we go. Belt is here, it's on. It's looking good. Nice new Continental belt. Not screwing around, baby. Alright, gotta put the little shield on down here, and away we go. Alright, we're outside, we're running, we're in the heat. Got our refrigerant cylinder open. As you can see, vacuum perfectly held. We'll start introducing refrigerant to the system. In a second, we're going to go in and put this on high recirc. Charge this baby up. Alright. Compressor is on. Are charging. Don't be good. Right on the money. And then the big cooling fan comes on. These are pressures down. It's nice that that fan is cycling. We have a deep freeze situation going on inside. It's nice. It's really nice. So we got that going. Just want these pressures to come back up before the coolant temp cycles. Looking good. It is just about 100 degrees out. But again, the fan has been cycling. I'm ready to take it for a test drive.